Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart, and today I have a quick video walk around of this pearlescent red Toyota Yaris Cross. Now of course this is a 2023 model, so you do get full LED headlights, daytime running lights, and of course front parking sensors. You then get these brilliant diamond cut alloy wheels, which I will go into each and every one, just so you can get an idea of the design pattern you do actually get. Now of course these are an 18-inch diamond cut wheel. But coming around to the rear, you get your rear parking sensors as well, including your reversing camera just up at the top, just here. Then coming into the tailgate, as you can see, we do have an electric opening tailgate. We've got plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats that do fold flat with the boot floor. To lower the tailgate, simply press the button up top and it will drop down like so. Then coming back around into the rear of the car now, we do have your part leather, part cloth interior with Isofix mounting points down at the bottom. We've then got full electric automatic windows all around, keyless entry and start. And then coming inside the car, we've got your electric handbrake with auto hold. We've then got your EV mode, traction control and your drive mode. Now you can choose between sport, eco and normal. We've got your CVT gearbox in the middle. Then we've got dual climate control with 2 front heated seats, which you can see just there. Got a full touchscreen display, which comes with your various media sources across the top. You've got Bluetooth hands-free. You've then got satellite navigation as well. Over to the steering wheel now, we have your return button for your onboard computer controls, which are just below here. We've then got your Bluetooth hands-free, volume and voice assistant. Over on the right hand side, we have your track select and source. Anything above is to do with your adaptive cruise control. So you do have cruise control, speed limiter, lane keep assist and distance control. You've got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers. And as you can see, this car has only done, find it for you now, 9,742 miles. Oh, sorry, no, it's done 2,072 miles. That's the 9,000 miles is when the service is next due. Just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do, of course, require any further information on this Toyota Yaris Cross, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.